To finish off our ultimate JK build, we're gonna be upgrading the lighting, and we got a pile of stuff from Infinite Off-Road. Now, Infinite Off-Road has a bunch of different options if you wanna upgrade the lighting on your vehicle. It starts right here in the middle. We've got some basically replacement headlights for the JK. We're gonna be installing these. This can be bought as basically a JK-specific kit, so you'd get 2 headlights and 2 replacement turn signals. But if you've upgraded your JK to, let's say, a modern grille that doesn't have the 2 turn signals, the headlights themselves have integrated turn signals that you can use as well, so your vehicle still stays legal. We're gonna add a couple of off-road lights, these 4.5 by 4.5 inch pods. These ones are in amber. You can also get them in white, but they come with specific brackets for the JK, or you can order it for the JL, or no brackets, just universal. Probably the coolest thing that has happened in the off-road lighting industry lately has been the fact that you can now control all of this by using one of these solid-state controllers. This is a solid-state controller from Infinite Off-Road. This is an 8-button module, but they offer it as a 4-button or a 12-button. And the way this works is you simply choose a sticker from the included sticker pack, place it over the button, and then you wire it through this controller that goes underneath the hood. Makes it a lot easier because then you only have to take one wire from this controller inside the vehicle. Everything else is underneath the hood. And then you can change what these buttons do. They can either be on-off, or they can be momentary if you just need a momentary switch. I love these. I use them on all of my rigs. And then also, to finish it off, we've got the Infinite Off-Road Rock Light Kit. This is probably the most complete rock light kit that I have ever seen. You can see you can just open up the box. Not only does it have a pile of rock lights inside of it in different sizes, you can order it in either RGB, so you can pick the color of the lights, or bright white, which is what this kit here is. Comes with large rock lights, as well as these small rock lights that are magnetic, and you can control it from either the remote. You can wire it up to a switch, like the one that's gonna come out of this little solid-state controller, or you can run it off an app on your phone. Now, you'll often say to me, oh, rock lights are hard to install because you get all those wires to hook up and all that kind of stuff. Well, these come with these little pre-terminated ends that just screw together. And I'll tell you a story. Me and my friend Ricky were out four-wheeling one day, and the sun was starting to go down, and we knew we were gonna be four-wheeling late into the night, so he thought ahead, and he brought one of these Infinite Off-Road rock light kits, and we literally installed the rock lights on the side of the trail just by using these little magnetic lights, sticking them up underneath my rig, and we had lights all night long. It was great. That's how easy it is to install one of these kits. So we're gonna mount a bunch of this stuff to the Jeep, make it look even better. The large 24-watt rock lights, we can either solid mount them, or we can mount them magnetically as well, so we can move them around the ride. And the best thing is all the lights are covered with a 25-year, we break it, they replace it warranty.